Hi, my name's Sarah. I come from England and my question is, what environmental problems are facing your country? I would say right now in England, one of the main issues would definitely be air pollution. There's so many airports here, so every day there's thousands of flights coming in and out of our airspace, causing a lot of pollution, and also cars. I would say most people here own a car, or even some families have multiple cars between them. So I think there's a lot of air pollution from how much transportation that we do use in England. Also, another big problem right now would be littering. Either waste and rubbish isn't disposed of properly, or people just leave it out in the street and it's very dirty and obviously causing a lot of problems for the environment in England.